Hi, it's Vilma for Redesign with Prima, and today's makeover, I'm flipping this nightstand. I'm transforming this old mermaid design for a new one. I started by removing the mermaid molds and the glass bead gel on the sides. First, I started by using my steel spatula with a small hammer to remove it, but it was taking a lot of time, and I switched to my heat gun with the same spatula, and it was easier to take it off. Even the paint was coming too. It took me around 1 hour to remove all the design. And then, using my sander, I sanded off all my pieces. And this is how it looks after removing the last design. I'm using the color name Acadia Pear from Fusion Mineral Paint for painting. I will be doing 2 coats. This is my second coat of paint. Eventually, I am spraying some water and using less paint. And this is how it looks after painting. For my design, I'm using a large gold foil transfer named Fleur de Lis. This transfer comes in 2 sheets, and I'm planning on applying it by cut them in rows of 4 and 3 designs. This design features a classic repeating golden pattern, and you can use it as me separately or the full sheet. These transfers are very easy to use. Simply peel off the backing paper, place the transfer onto your project, and rub it with the included tool to transfer the design. These transfers can be cut and rearranged to fit your specific needs, making it a versatile and customizable choice for all your projects. This transfer size is 18 inches by 24 inches. I did the same design by placing lines of 4 and 3 on both sides of this piece. I'm also adding some of this foil on the bottom front. When I finished, I knew I want something special for the knob, and what a best way to use this backplates named Soho Fusion. This mold comes with other 4 different designs to choose from. To create this, I'm using this time amazing resin black, but you can use any other casting material as modeling clay, silicone, clear resin, and white resin. This resin works by mixing A and B liquids forward to pouring your moldings. After pouring, I will be waiting around 20 to 30 minutes to release from the mold. It's now 30 minutes and I'm just releasing from the mold. I will be applying gold leaf on them using gilding glue. This gold leaf will be giving the shine similar to my gold foil. I'm using a small brush to apply it, and I will be wait until the glue is completely clear and it feels sticky. When that's happened, you know that it's ready to apply your gold leaf. I already have with me this Lux Ornate knob that I'm just going to add gold foil also as well as my backplate. My glue is sticky. Now it is time to add my gold foil. You need to be very gentle when you apply your gold leaf. That's what I'm using this synthetic brush and give it just some little and small touches to apply it. Now I'm adding a small portion of liquid acrylic in color ink black to give it a touch of vintage look. Because this liquid paint is very concentrated, I am adding a little of water on it. You can go as much as you want it until you're happy with the look. For sealing all the piece and the gold foil transfer, I'm using a damp sponge and a water-based sealer. This one is clear top coat from Fusion Mineral Paints. This water-based sealer don't be taking away the shiny of the gold foil. After the sealing was dry, I'm adding the back plate and the knob to the front drawer. Because the veneer on my top was a little damaged and I wanted to change the orange tone of the wood, I ended by choosing to do a Faux finish. First, I will be doing 2 coats of cathedral top. I will be using clear and antique glaze, chocolate paint, 4 different types of brushes, white paint, and a few containers. First, I'm mixing the clear glaze with the little of my chocolate paint, and I am reserving also a little of my white paint. Using a synthetic brush, I'm adding in some spot my antique glaze. with a cheap brush, I'm adding my clear glaze with chocolate paint. And now I'm using a dustpan brush to blend all the colors together. This step is optional. You can use cloth or a paper towel to remove some of the paint and the glaze. Now I'm using this synthetic large brush to blend all the colors together. Here I'm adding some of my white paint in few spots and some of my clear glaze with chocolate, and I will be blending all this using my dustpan brush and my large synthetic brush until I'm happy with the look. I'm sealing with clear top coat as I did with all my pieces. And these are the final results and how it turned this nightstand. Let me know in comments what do you think about this flip. Please give us a like and subscribe to our channel today. See you in another flip.